Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, with your weekly update. You might be used to hearing my voice here on YouTube with channels like Dermatology Under the Microscope, Mr. Blackhead, and World's Greatest Medical. However, did you know that we are also on Roku? I'll put a link to our Roku channel in the description below. In other news, it's getting to be summer months, so make sure you use sunscreen so you don't wind up with senile comedones like this. For you Dr. Senile fans, CysBursting.com shared an entire playlist of videos about Pops. This hidden gem shows his entire story. If you recall, he was Dr. Lee's first popular patient and helped make her channel. Also, I'm curious to know from you, what do you think of Blackhead videos where people put the Pops on gloves? Leave your comments and opinions below. Also, did you know that there's a new Dr. Senile fan group for Popaholics on Facebook? I'll put a link below so you can join the group. Then stick around for a word about Rest More.
Hi, my name is Jory, and I'm here to give a testimonial about Rest More. The thing I love most about Rest More is that it puts me into a deep sleep to where I'm not restless or tired the next day. I take 2 Rest Mores a night. It helps me relax, mellow before bed instead of laying in bed and all my thoughts are everywhere and I can't go to sleep. Rest More has really helped me since then, because without Rest More, I would always be laying in bed, not relaxed, my mind going every which way. But as soon as I started taking Rest More, it relaxed my mind and my body. If you're looking for a better sleep, I recommend Rest More.